If you're not sure which career is best, then this video is going to help you because India's job market is evolving faster than ever. AI, data, green energy, finance, and digital marketing are creating millions of new roles. So let's break down the fastest growing jobs in India for 2025. Let's go. Number 1, AI and machine learning engineer. These are the brains behind ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and AI automation tools. Required qualification: B. Tech in computer science, IT, or AI ML specialization. Top skills required: Python, TensorFlow, deep learning, neural networks, data science. Average salary you can expect 10 to 25 LPA depending on experience. Top companies hire for these roles: Google, Microsoft, TCS, Infosys, and Nvidia. AI jobs are growing at over 40% annually, making it one of the highest paying tech careers in India. Number 2, cybersecurity analysts. With more companies going digital, data protection is the new gold. Education required: B. Tech in IT, BCA, or certification like CEH, CISSP. Skills required: ethical hacking, network security, threat analysis, incident response. Salary you can expect 6 to 18 LPA. Hiring companies like IBM, Deloitte, EY, PwC, and government PSUs. If you love solving puzzles and want job security, cybersecurity is future-proof. Number 3, data analysts and BI specialists. Because every business runs on data-driven decisions. Education required: BBA, Bachelor of Science Statistics, Economics, or Data Analytics. Top skills needed: Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python. Salary expectations you can have 515 LPA. Top companies who hires: Deloitte, KPMG, ZS Associates, Flipkart, Swiggy. Pro tip: combine Excel plus Power BI plus SQL and you'll be unstoppable. Number 4, product managers. They sit at the intersection of tech, business, and design, deciding what gets built and why. Education required: MBA or background in engineering, business, or design. You need skills like product roadmap, UX, analytics, stakeholder management, leadership. Top salary you can expect 1235 LPA for top PMs. Top companies hire: Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Byju's, Meesho. If you're good at ideas and execution, this is your role. Number 5, financial analysts and financial planner professionals. Because companies need number crunchers who can tell stories with data. Education required: BCom, BBA, CFA, MBA in finance, or CMA. Skills you need: Excel, Power BI, financial modeling, accounting, SAP. Salary you can expect 620 LPA. Companies hire: Deloitte, EY, Payoneer, JP Morgan, HDFC, ICICI. Finance roles are evolving fast. Tech skills are now equally important as finance knowledge. Number 6, digital marketing specialists. With every business going online, this role is exploding. Education required: BBA, MBA, or certification in digital marketing. Skills you need such as SEO, Google Ads, social media strategy, analytics, content marketing. Salary you can expect 415 LPA. Top companies hire: Nykaa, Unacademy, Growth School, and startups. Creative plus data equals marketing gold. Number 7, supply chain and logistics analysts. E-commerce and manufacturing demand efficiency experts. Education needed: BBA, BTech, or MBA in operations or supply chain. Top skills: SAP, ERP, Excel, forecasting, vendor management. Salary you can expect 614 LPA. Hiring companies: Amazon, Flipkart, Maersk, Adani, DHL. Perfect mix of data, business, and problem solving. Number 8, sustainability and ESG analysts. Every major company now needs to meet global sustainability standards. Education needs: environmental science, economics, or MBA in sustainability. Skills required: ESG reporting, carbon accounting, research, data analysis. Salary you can expect 6 to 20 LPA. Top companies hiring: Deloitte, Tata, Mahindra, HUL, and government-backed firms. This is a fast emerging career with global demand. Number 9, HR analyst and talent strategy roles. HR is no longer about resumes, it's data, psychology, and AI tools. Education needed: MBA, HR, psychology, or HR analytics certification. Top skills required such as Excel, Power BI, HRIS, AI recruitment tools, data analysis. Salary expectations you can have 512 LPA. Top companies hire: Accenture, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Unilever. If you love people and numbers, this is your lane. And number 10, prompt engineers and AI content strategists. Yes, this role didn't exist 2 years ago. Education needed for this: no fixed degree, just deep AI understanding and creativity. Skills required such as ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, automation, content strategy. Salary range 830 LPA. Who hires the most? Startups, AI agencies, and global tech firms. If you can make AI do the work for you, you'll always stay ahead. So if you're planning your next move in your career, focus on skills that are tech-driven, data-backed, and future-proof. Remember, the degree gets you in, but skills keep you growing. Tell me in the comments which of these 10 jobs you'd love to pursue in 2026. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly insights on careers, AI tools, and personal branding. See you in the next one.